Do you know how your business is performing? Have you gone through your business income status? Review your business progress and measure small successes through Liteclerk point-of-sale software. A user-friendly interface or system where you can check your inventory real-time and can generate sales and collection summaries instantly and accurately. With these reports, you will be able to control the operations of your business, minimize inventory pilferage, and monitor your cash. We also do an actual user training and own software development and technical support that can guarantee resolution within 24 hours, plus own CRM system to keep track of calls and supports. One-time payment, no monthly fees. BIR accredited and been in the industry for over 12 years. Trusted by thousands of users. Contact us and book a free demo now. Light solutions for you and your business.